Welcome to HackVault. My name is Nirja. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating world of ethical hacking. We'll break down what ethical hacking is, why it's important, and how it plays a critical role in cybersecurity. Ethical hackers are the digital defenders of today's world, working to secure networks, applications, and sensitive data. So, if you've ever been curious about cybersecurity or wondered how hackers can be the good guys, stay tuned. Ethical hacking is the practice of legally and systematically testing computer systems, networks, and applications to find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. White hat hackers, also called ethical hackers, follow strict guidelines and work with organizations to enhance security. Unlike black hat hackers who break into systems for illegal purposes, ethical hackers use their expertise to strengthen cybersecurity and prevent attacks. They play a vital role in safeguarding financial transactions, user data, and confidential business information. Ethical hackers follow a structured process to assess security risks. First, they gather intelligence through reconnaissance, studying the target system for potential weaknesses. Next, they perform scanning using tools like NMAP to identify vulnerabilities. If flaws are found, penetration testing is conducted using tools like Metasploit to exploit them in a controlled manner. After testing, they document their findings and report them to the company, helping them patch vulnerabilities before cybercriminals can take advantage. This proactive approach ensures that businesses stay one step ahead of attackers. With cybercrime on the rise, ethical hacking is more critical than ever. Every year, businesses and individuals suffer massive financial losses due to data breaches, ransomware attacks, and identity theft. Ethical hackers help prevent these threats by identifying and fixing security gaps before they can be exploited. They also assist companies in meeting cybersecurity compliance standards like GDPR and ISO 27001, which require organizations to maintain high security standards. Without ethical hackers, the digital world would be far more vulnerable to cyber threats. If you have a passion for technology and problem solving, you can become an ethical hacker. While a background in networking, programming, and cybersecurity is helpful, anyone willing to learn can enter this field. Many ethical hackers start with certifications like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, and CISUP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. These certifications validate your skills and open doors to job opportunities in cybersecurity. Continuous learning is key, as cyber threats constantly evolve, and staying updated with the latest security trends is essential. Ethical hacking offers a wide range of career opportunities. You can become a cybersecurity analyst, monitoring and preventing cyber threats. As a penetration tester, you'll conduct simulated attacks to test security defenses. Security consultants provide expert advice to companies on improving cybersecurity measures. Another exciting path is bug bounty hunting, where hackers earn rewards for finding security flaws in major tech companies. With the increasing demand for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hacking is a highly rewarding and in-demand career choice. That's a wrap on today's video. Ethical hacking is a fascinating and crucial field in cybersecurity, protecting people and businesses from cyber threats. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about cybersecurity, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to HackVault. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.